financial solver to annuities, which is 8B. I think you all should be fine with this. Can we quickly do question number 9, A, B, and C, and that should be super quick. Go for it. Question 9, A, B, and C.
Vn plus 1.
Your recurrence relation has two parts. I am repeating it multiple times. You will lose marks. Even if you know it, you need to tell what is V0 and then you talk about Vn plus 1.
So V0 is 20,000.
Yeah, so whatever. And what is Vn plus 1?
1.072 minus 33 of 3,370.
Come again. 1.072
minus 3,300.
1.072 minus 3375. Is this correct, Ethan? Are you missing something? This is the formula, the next term formula, connection between n plus 1 and n. Where is Vn here? Where is Vn? Vn comes here, times Vn.
Sorry, this one.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. There's nothing called sorry. Go for it.
What was Vn equal to again?
Vn is the previous term. Your recurrence relation has two parts to it. It talks about the V0, the starting term, and it gives you a relationship between Vn is the previous term. So if you know the previous term, you can go to the next term by multiplying it with the R and taking off D. So that's the Vn. It will just be written as Vn. So suppose if I want to know V1, I know V0 is 2,000, 20,000, whatever. If I want to know V1, so n is 1. So I'll say V1 equals to 1.072 times, this is the previous term, V0 minus 3375. And you keep going. Make sense?
Yeah.
Sure? 100%? All right. Can we go to question number 14, please? Part A, B, and C. If I write something like this, V0 equals to 5,000, and Michelle, that's a question for you as well. If I write something like this, and I'll write the generic formula on top. So you can compare. Ethan, what is the initial investment?
5K.
5K, good. What is the rate of interest? And Michelle, you will validate it. What is the rate of interest here per annum? Ethan?
Can't see.
Yeah. If you look here, what's the rate of interest?
15%.
15%, very good. Because it's 1.15. Michelle, yes?
Yeah.
15%. What is this bit?
The difference. Difference.
What difference? What is that? Minus 500.
Just the monthly payment.
Exactly. Can you not do B now? This is the monthly, or this is the payments that are getting paid. $500. This guy must be paying $500 per month or whatever is the scenario. No. Were you able to do part B?
Yeah.
Right? What was the answer there?
Oh, 4,000.
4,000, correct. Good job. Now, what's the answer for C?
I was still doing it.
You're still doing.
Yeah, I was just working. Cause I don't have my card.
What about 2.88?
Ethan, solve it. Part C, and it should come to 2.88. Mitchell,
Yeah.
do you know how to solve it? Part C, do you know how to do it?
Actually, turned it.
Alright, cool. That's fine. Ethan, do you know? No. Danu, do you know? I will,
I just can't do it on my phone.
if this would have been a tech free, what would you be doing then?
Um,
Let's try that. Let's try that. Most this won't be tech free. What is the question? Can I have a book, please? Can I grab your book? Now this says that calculate the annual compound interest rate. Annual compound interest rate. So what is this 1.15? Is it not the capital R? And what was the formula for capital R? 1 plus R, which is the annual rate of interest, 100 times the compounding period P. Mitchell, do you know this
Yeah.
or not?
I wish you did know, Carlos.
Right? Now what's left, right? This is 1.15. Sorry, I've given you that. In the book it is like 1.10024, right? 0024. 1.0024 equals to 1 plus, this is he's asking me, over, and what is the compounding period here? P is compounding 12. If you plug this into your CAS, you'll get the answer. But then if I have to solve it by hand without CAS, what do? Yes, Gary.
You take the 1 plus.
Yes, you take 1 here. So 1.0024 minus 1 equals to R over 1200. And then you cross multiply. So this will become 0.0024 times 1200 will be your R.
Oh, thank you for clarifying that.
Sorry?
Thank you for clarifying that.
Do you get it now?
Yeah, because I did all the way.
See, mind you, it's confusing. Confusing in the sense, it's crappy that you've got 2 R's here. This R has no meaning. This R is just sitting there for the sake of recurrence relation. This number, that's it. It's not any rate of interest. This is just R, which is the real rate of interest is this. Actually, they have simplified the formula. They have replaced this big expression by this capital R so that it sits in here. Otherwise, you know what? How this formula would have looked like? Vn plus 1 equals to 1 plus R over 100 times P Vn minus D. So this looks to be like more complex, a formula. So what they've done is they replace this with R. So R times Vn, and R is this value, the rate of interest. So whenever someone asks you for R, Ethan, the rate of interest, they're talking about this. And one more catch here in this question was How on earth did you get it done that your P was 12? How did you decide?
Month.
Because it says compounding.
It does not
Regular.
say anywhere.
A regular monthly payment.
Exactly. It says a regular monthly payment. Right? They won't spoon feed you by giving you straight away compounding monthly. They'll say receives a regular weekly payment. It does not
Regular.
say anywhere.
A regular monthly payment.
Exactly. It says a regular monthly payment. Right? They won't spoon feed you by giving you straight away compounding monthly. They'll say receives a regular weekly payment. In that case, be careful, right? Don't scratch your heads. Weekly means 52.